Chase
Capital Dental Center.
and Nexa Vegetables.
Thank you so much. And now we go back to the ball game. It is set 3 in this winner takes all match for the bronze medal.
Who will get the bronze? Does Alab have that fire to get that bronze?
Or does EHIP have that cool breeze
Yeah.
within them to take this home?
Sa mga audience natin, sino makakakuha ng bronze? Is it Team Alab? Or is it Team EHIP?
I think, partner, whoever plays the most relaxed, whoever plays with the most fun this set will take home that bronze medal.
Kasi they're both evenly matched.
Equal eh.
Yeah.
Equal yung skills department. Our coverage today is brought to you by Kuya Mike San Diego,
Elizur Orejola
Kenneth Corpus.
and Arnel Encina. Thank you so much po.
It's a good set.
The opening point is played. Nice dig.
It's an out of
Oh! First point for our third set is for Team Alab.
partner. You have to warm up for my championship match.
Service, Team Alab. Oh! Services with the help of the net. Point for Team Alab. Score is 2-0. Good serve. Oh! Back-to-back service aces. Point for Team Alab. Good serve. Set up to the open. Nice dig. Oh, with the help of the net. Set up to the middle. Oops. Net touch. Point for Team EHIP. Outside. Point for Team Alab. Score po natin for serving one. Good serve. Nice reception. Set up to the open. Chance ball. Nice reception. Into the open. Oh! Cross-court attack. Point for Team Alab. Service is Team Alab. Score po natin 5 serving 1. 10 Team EHIP side out. With the reception, set up. Oh! Cross-court hit from the opposite. Point for Team EHIP. Score 2 serving 5. Good serve. Oh! Off of number 9 from Alab. Point for Team EHIP. Our score 3 serving 5. Nice reception. Nice set. Oh! Off the block and the swag. Point for Team Alab. Now serving for Team Alab, number 8. Good reception. Set up to the opposite. Oh! Okay. High ball. Chance ball. Kinuha si Net sa open, number 22. Outside! serving for Team Alab, number 8. Nice serve. Go! Oh, nice dig. Nice over. Sinet ni Kuya Au. Oops! Okay, angat daw, angat. Okay, in over. Okay, na-receive. Sinet sa open, number 22. Outside! Outside ang sabi ng line judge. Point for Team Alab. Time out. Service from Alab. Set up to the opposite. Nice dig. Sinet. Oh! Point for Team Alab. Oh. This is 9 serving 3. Point. Okay, nice reception. Sinet up. Oh, nice dig! Over ball. Tinaas ng number 43. Oh! Good ball! Oh! Nice hustle! In over. Nakuha pa rin. Sinet sa 4. Nice dig! Sinet sa open. Ah! Not over! Point for Team Ihip. Serving for Team Ihip, number 22. Good serve. Sinet sa gitna. Oh! Not over. Back-to-back points for Team Ihip. Nice serve. Good reception. Sinet sa open. Inside. Point for Team Alab. Alab is now 5 points away in claiming the bronze. Kakayanin pa kayang humabol ng Team Ihip? Oh! Service ace! Point for Team Alab. Makaka-side out kaya ang Team Ihip? Makaka-side out thanks to that service error. Point for Team Ihip. Nice reception kaya lang. Oh! Nice find on the floor. Point for Team Alab. Now serving number 2 from Team Alab. Oh! Service ace! I think Team Ihip still has a chance, but they just have to receive the ball. Come on, we have to receive. Now serving. Good serve again. Kinuha. Sinet sa open. Oh! Buhay pa ang bola. In-over ng Team Ihip. Kinuha ni Ate Grace. Sinet sa open. Ay! Not over. Point for Team Ihip. Paluin mo daw RJ, sabi ni Dre. Service. Nice reception. Sinet sa open. Nice dig! Buhay pa po ang bola. In over. Kinuha. Sinet ulit sa open. Oh! Miss set. Miss play. Point for Team E. Oh! Not over. Point for Team Alab. Alab is now at match point for the bronze medal. Can they make it? Serving for the bronze. Oh! Service race for Team Alab. They win the match and get the bronze. Congratulations for both teams. And now let's stand by for the championship. It's going to be against Yannick and Alon. We will now take